Never lose track of that perfect home again by easily saving it on Zillow. Saving homes you love is a game changer for your home search, allowing you to easily revisit, compare, and share properties without endless researching. To begin, first navigate to the specific home listing you're interested in saving. You can do this by searching for properties and then tapping on any listing that catches your eye. Once you're on the property's detailed page, look for the heart icon. This is your favorite button, typically located prominently at the top of the page, often next to the main property image or contact options. Simply tap this heart icon. It will change color, usually filling in red, to indicate that the property has been successfully added to your saved homes list. You'll likely see a small confirmation message pop up briefly. Now that you've favorited a home, accessing your list is straightforward from the Zillow homepage or main menu. Look for a section labeled Saved or Favorites. This is often represented by the same heart icon you just clicked. Tapping this will take you directly to your personalized collection of saved homes, where you can browse all the properties you favorited for quick access, comparison, and further action. Saving homes is a simple yet powerful way to streamline your home search, keeping all your potential dream homes organized and within reach. Start favoriting today to simplify your journey.